And this woman didn't go to school anyway. You know, most of the philosophies of life that I come to live by were taught to me by these people who didn't go to school. My grandmother taught me never to say there's no solution to a problem. She would say to me, Olusegun, go and catch that fowl for me. And I will run after it. I will run all over the place. I will fall down and I will come back and say, Mama, I can't catch. He said, it's a lie. He said, God made man to be able to talk and made fowl not to talk. How can something that can't talk be wiser than you that can talk? We children will go behind and say, this our grandmother has witch. We'll be saying that woman is a witch. You know, because we just think that, you know, and then, now I want to go to play ball. I want to run away, and the woman is not allowing you, because if you don't go and they report you to her dad, he's going to kill you without asking questions. If I now want to go, I will go into her pot, I will take some corn, I'll call the friends who are waiting for me to go to play ball. I say, please help me. This old witch will not let you go play ball unless I catch the fowl. I'll give them the corn, we scare, and all the fowl in the neighborhood will come. And they will join me. They will say, I told you that if anything can't talk, it can be wiser than human being. That's one way she taught me very early in life, that every problem has multiple solutions.